Lutheran Church and Pastor Charlie's Toolbox. So, if it looks to you like I'm packing it in, well, I am. Just in case you haven't heard, I'm leaving town. Not that the law is after me or anything like that. I've taken a call to another congregation. Now, I have to admit that it does sadden me to be leaving Sudbury, as I've really enjoyed being in Northern Ontario and all the people that come across here like you. Some may wonder, if I've been happy here, why would I ever leave? Well, the reason for this might best be illustrated with our story for today from Luke 24, 13 to 35. In this story, Jesus has died and is gone as far as the disciples are concerned, and they didn't even have much of a chance to say goodbye. Needless to say, they were in quite a sad state. And two of them were on their way to the village of Emmaus when a stranger joined them, and they explained to him their situation and their bewilderment at what had happened. However, the stranger explained to them that all those things had to take place because in the end, all people would benefit. And it turned out the stranger on the road was Jesus himself, who they thought was gone. So while he had died, and for the sake of us all, I should add, while he had died, he was still with them, the same way that Jesus' Spirit is with us even today. You know, while I'm saddened to leave, I also know that my talents are needed elsewhere at this time. And I'm also aware that as long as you keep me in your memories and maybe even keep re-watching these videos, my spiritual guidance will still be with you. I want to take this opportunity to thank you all for the blessings you have shown me. I mean, you've put up with my essentially home videos done on an old camera. You put up with my corny jokes, with my stunts like shooting shredded paper out of a leaf blower or a snow blower, and showing you how to do a haircut and give a haircut, or how to cook in the garage, and even my double-ended chainsaw. You're welcome to go through all those videos again and perhaps pick up some new insights along the way. You know, Pastor Charlie's Toolbox actually began about 30 years ago as a way for me to do children's sermons during worship services by using tools to demonstrate something about our belief and our faith. At the beginning of the pandemic, it turned to do these videos as a way to proclaim the amazingly good news of the gospel, to strengthen your faith, and, well, for me to have a little fun. I want to end this series of videos with a blessing for each of you. The Spirit of God is upon you and has anointed you. You are the salt of the earth, and you bring light to the world. You're not too young or too old. You're not too rich or too needy to bring good news to the impoverished, to give a hand to the brokenhearted, and to live out freedom and pardon through the gifts you have been given. So remember to pack peace in your toolbox, hope in your briefcase, love in your lunchbox, and may integrity, honesty, and joy be your clothing of choice. Do not be frightened, for you are never alone. The God in whose image you are made will walk with you and guide you today, tomorrow, and every day. Amen.